Well, up ahead is Blount Creek. We paddled all the way across from Dinah's Landing. They're tearing the bridge down. Come over here to get a picture of it. We're going all the way across to Pamlico at a diagonal, about 3.25 miles, 3.5. Okay, here's where they're starting a new bridge down here at Blount Creek, and they're rerouting it. Now they're going back over there with it, where that crane is. I don't know what I need another bridge here for. That now probably 100 years old. Okay, there's the old bridge back there. This is called Blount's Bay. Over 20 years ago, we used to come in here when the Pamlico was rough and water ski. It was always calm, a big open place in here. That old building up yonder just about fell in. I didn't bring my tripod today because I didn't think we'd see nothing. Plus I got a boat I ain't never paddled before. Got me another Stella. 37 pounds. That's what an old man needs, a light boat. This is the other side of the bridge. Okay, we're going out in Blount's Creek, and that's the Pamlico right there. And we got 3.5 miles to go through the trees over yonder. That's the first one of them artificial things I've seen with an osprey nest on it. The old Pamlico is calm right now. So I'll cut this off and get to paddling. I got a long way to go. Thank you. Okay, we had another safe day. We paddled over to Blount Creek. A little 7 miles there and back.